For all those who don't know me, I am Aditi Agarwal and I love to interact with people with lots of questions. I am the founder at So To High, and So To High is a platform where I interact with people to know their journey. A place away from hustle and bustle of our daily lives is a bliss. A home away from home is what we look for in a vacation. Today I have with me Mushi Patel, who is a CA by education, have worked for a multinational company, loves playing golf. He, along with his brother Vishal Patel, founded Mati the Jungle Lodge based in Bandhavgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Marti is actually a place where one can be close to nature and technology. There's a lot to know about Marti, so let's hear it from Rushi. A very warm welcome, Rushi, to So2 High.
Thank you so much, Aditi.
Yeah. So tell us what is the story behind Marti?
Story behind Marty is um, goes back to 10 years ago. We
Okay.
visited this place called Bandhavgarh National Park. Me, along with my brother and a couple of friends, came here for our New Year's Eve, and
Okay.
we found this place to be really wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful nature, beautiful tiger sighting in the reserve. So that prompted us to foray into this resort business if we are able to do it or not here in Bandhavgarh. So me and my brother looked on for a lot of options for a couple of years, and
Okay.
finally, when we started this journey around 2011.
Mm-hmm.
So we were always passionate about doing a forest property always. We are into hotel business since long, but it was all commercial hotel that we had in Ranchi. So we wanted to do a jungle resort kind of a thing always. Me and my brother both were very passionate about it, even though a smaller size or smaller one, but we wanted to do something of our own. So
Okay.
we thought that this is the best place to do it.
Wow. So how have you mixed up nature and technology in Marti?
Like the whole concept of Marty, like the name that we derive, Marty we got is from the elements that we have used in construction of the resort.
Okay.
Basically, the walls that we have built here for the cottages are
Mm.
rammed earth walls, which is made out of mud. So mostly the essence of construction is mud here. We have
Okay.
tried to do the construction with mud and rammed earth wall. So that is how we got this name, Marty.
So how much time did it take to start with Marty and then build the property and welcome your tourists?
It was a very long journey actually. We had no prior exposure in this field. We did not have any knowledge about the construction of the property. So we did it in bit by bit. We started our construction, I think, in 2012, and we are
Okay.
able to complete it only by 2018. So first guest that we had was in, um, I think it was in June 2018. So we
Okay. So it
started our
was a long
property in
journey.
June. It is a very long journey because
Yeah.
it is very far from Ranchi. It is almost a 700-kilometer distance from Ranchi, a 13-14 hour drive from there. It was
Okay.
very difficult for us to get this into shape. So it took us a lot of time also, and also that we were very new to all this thing, construction and everything.
Mm.
It took us a lot of time.
Okay. And what was the challenge, biggest challenge you had to face while developing the property?
I think developing any property in India is a very big challenge,
Yeah.
be it in your hometown or be it any
For
other
away.
place.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult,
Mm-hmm.
but it is not impossible. You just have to stick to your task. You have to keep trying and going forward inch by inch.
Yeah.
The problem is that uh, uh, in and around there are a lot of people who try to pull you down. so
Actually.
that you are not able to complete your project because there are a number of resorts here. There are
Hmm.
more than 45 resorts here. So everybody is trying to pull down the other one,
Hmm.
and there are challenges with the labors as well. Being a remote place, this place is very remote. It's a village, so the building material is also not readily available. We
Okay.
don't have shops around until we travel at least 40-45 kilometers. So for every small thing you want to purchase, you need to
You
travel
have to
40
come.
odd kilometers.
Hmm.
So that is a very big challenge here.
Hmm.
We don't have anything available in Bandhavgarh. It's a very raw place. Yeah.
What is that element which is different in Marti as compared to the other resorts?
Yeah. So that we were aware of the fact that already there are so many resorts in Bandhavgarh, and we are going to open a new one.
Hmm.
So if we wanted to run a resort per se on the quality, then we had to do something different. So what we did was we analyzed the resorts in Bandhavgarh, and then we came to a conclusion that the USP of our resort would be that all our villas have private pool attached to it.
Okay.
They are raw and rustic
Hmm.
in outer and inner, but at the same time they are luxurious as well. They have luxury in it, and all of them have private pool attached to it. So that is our USP, and that is how we are running the property right now.
Wow, lovely. So can we have a look at the property?
Definitely, I'll take you around the property.
Yeah. Okay. coming to the last question to you, Rushi, what are your future plans for Mati?
Future as it is, as of now, we have 8 villas with us in Mati. Our
Hmm.
future plans is to add at least 6 more villas here. We want to develop a kids area here
Hmm.
along with all the other sporting facilities as well. So right now we have basketball, TT, badminton, and other activities, and we want to add tennis and squash
Wow.
as well, so that if a family is coming here for a holiday, so what we want is that even if they don't sight a tiger, if you are not able to sight a tiger in the park, still you would be able to enjoy in the property and you will still have fun here, because most of the properties here don't have any extracurricular activities with them.
Hmm.
It is just that you come here, you go for a safari, and then you go back. So we want to do something different, and we want to create that atmosphere where the whole family can enjoy and have a good time here with each other.
Wow, lovely thought of yours. And so too
Yeah.
high wishes all the best to you in,
Thank you so much.
making Marty even better from what it is now. And all the best.
Yeah.
And it was great having you at So Too High.
Same here, Aditi. Same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.